as it's a new year, we decided to do a little makeover or renovation for our office. So we decided to we noticed that the space in the office is kind of cramped up. So we tried to create space to make easy access and making easy movements in the office. So we did all the packing. We made renovations. We adjusted what needs to be adjusted, and we packed all the all our products that are not in use at the moment. We packed them to the needed place, the needed storage. Basically, more of the reason why we are doing this is to create a kind of structure to give our office a kind of more organized structure, so we can be able to pass information and talk to each other well. There won't be any obstruction. Nobody will have to be eating each other when passing, or when communication needs to be set up. As you can see, we are arranging the tabletop, our workplace, the tools that need to be packed. We packed them, the laptops and everything, set everything where they needed to be set. And for this new year, we are planning to make sure that all our goals and our objectives are being met for the year. All projects, new projects, and every other thing. We are starting with more of renovation. We are not only renovating the office, but we are also renovating ourselves. So as you can see, everything is being set up, made in place, and everything are being fixed where they are meant to be. So our goal for this year is to make sure you see more of us, we drop more content, and build on ourselves to be more innovative. And we're going to be taking you along in a journey of innovation, creativity, and a lot more. We have a whole lot for you guys, and we are appreciating and we hope that you enjoy the journey with us. Don't forget to like and comment and let us know what your goals are for this year 2026. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.